down, deep breath, shoulders down. So now we turn right. And here the first step, look for the pedestrians and look for the cycles. Yeah? You have seen that? The cycles coming in, you can say nothing. Yeah? The cycles can come also from the right side. Also from both sides. No? Pay attention. It's not right before left, to give away. No? And now, go. So now here, the next, fluently please, that's too slow. That's too slow. That's too slow, we don't stop. Yeah? Normally we drive here 50. Why you want to stop? Here it's a traffic rule, a zipper. Yeah, you can drive. Don't drive with 10. You are on a main road. Yeah? 10 is a little bit too slow, no? And you pump the gas. That's not good. Yeah? You pump the gas. Now we have two lines, and you can use the left line if you want to overtake, but not with 20 or 30 kilometers. Don't brake, please. So, and now accelerate it down, come down, deep breath, shoulders down. Like this one. That's the reason why you stay on the left, okay?
Okay.
Look far, try to look far. And power. Follow the white stripe on the ground and stop here, no? Exactly.